Today in mathematics, students began by reviewing lesson content from last week, including the 2 times table as well as mathematical symbols. Using mnemonic tactics, students joined the Numeracy Ninja Academy, practicing mixed maths skills such as addition, subtraction, division, and multiplication, as well as equals, for a fun martial arts style challenge. Students then returned to ordinal numbering, which will be useful in our upcoming drone and coding theme, matching the full English words to their ordinal numbers.
Times, 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 times. So the 2 times table goes to my 2 times 1, 2 times 2, 2 times 3, 2 times 4, 2 times 5, 2 times 6. So what numbers are we going to want here? What number comes first?
Teacher, how about 100? 2.
2 times
1. 2 times 2.
Good, thank you.
2 times 3. 2 times 4. 2 times
5, good.
Teacher, how about 1 times table?
There is a times table for everything, but we want to go in the order of our abilities. So when you get to P1000, you can do the 1000 times table, but we'll just focus on the 2 times table. Am I missing something at the end? Does anyone know?
Full stop.
A sentence, absolutely a full stop. But in maths, when we have 1 plus 1 equals good. So we can do some gesticulation for it. We can call this
Equal 3.
equals 3. I'll put the equals on for you quickly now.
1 plus 2 equals 3.
Equals, 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 equals. Can we all say equals? Equals. Multiply. Divide. Plus. Minus. Equals. Good. Now I see energy. Imagine our math ninjas. So I want you to use your arms, yes?
Teacher, why you don't draw equal in there?
Up there. I will add equals up there now for you, sir. Beautiful. Okay. Can we say, copy my arms? Plus. Minus. Plus. Minus. Divide. Minus. Multiply minus. Multiply minus divide. Divide. Multiply divide. Equals divide. Plus minus multiply take away. Plus minus multiply take